Hi, I'm Beau with Python Protective Sleeving Covers, and today I'm going to be unboxing and showing you our brand new fixed temp drum heater. First, right on top, you will find our brochure and manual for the wrap itself. This will give you all the details that you need to know as far as setup, general safety, maintenance and care, removal, storage, and all that good stuff, as well as a couple other products that may apply to your business or indoor application. So, once you get this out of here, you will see our nice Sidewinder label. Underneath that, you'll see the temperature of the blanket heater that you are purchasing. We make these in both 80 and 100 degrees. So from there, essentially you've got your buckle here that helps with allowing you to wrap the blanket up for storage and or if you're planning on moving it or taking it around. So when you get it out of the box, you're going to unclip this here first. Get it all unraveled. The power cord is going to be inside right here in the top left-hand corner. Essentially, as you can imagine, we're going to take this right here. You can start to wrap that around. You want, let's see, you want the power cord on the outside. And you've got your 3 securing straps, if you will, with your buckles. One thing you're going to want to make sure of is that you have it set, not completely on the ground, but just high enough to where you can feel that heating element or pad inside there touching the majority of the blanket. We want to ensure that we have a nice tight fit because we want the material touching against the barrel to ensure that we have proper thermal connectivity inside. Easiest way that I found to do it is to start with the center buckle. You can loosen it up as much as you want just to ensure that you've got a nice tight fit. And from there you can work your way to the top. In. Right at the bottom. As you go around, it may move down on you just a touch, but you can shift it around as you may or as you see fit. Go ahead and crank those straps down, right? As we talked about, you want to make sure that the blanket is as tight as it can possibly be against the barrel to ensure that you're getting proper heat transfer. Once you got those suckers nice and tight, all that is left to do is plug it in. Ready to go.